Imagine hosting a summer bash, your guests laughing, drinks in hand, but your fridge's ice maker can't keep up. You're stuck running to the store for overpriced ice bags that melt before the party peaks. Enter this Silonn Countertop Ice Maker with expanding ice basket, a sleek, compact powerhouse that churns out 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds daily. With its self-cleaning feature, LED touch controls, and innovative expanding ice basket, this machine is a game-changer for home entertainers, office workers, and small space dwellers. Let's dive into why the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is your ticket to effortless chilling. Solving ice-making frustrations. Running out of ice or dealing with clunky, hard-to-clean machines can derail any gathering. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker addresses these pain points with precision. No ice shortages. Produces 26 pounds of ice daily, ensuring your drinks stay cold, even during large parties or hot days. No store runs. Forget hauling heavy ice bags. Get fresh bullet ice in 6 minutes, perfect for cocktails, sodas, or food preservation. No messy maintenance. The self-cleaning function eliminates scrubbing, keeping your ice fresh and machine spotless with minimal effort. No space woes. Its compact design fits small kitchens, offices, or RVs, saving counter space without sacrificing style. This portable ice maker delivers speed, convenience, and quality, making it a must-have for anyone who loves chilled drinks. Let's explore its standout features. Key features that make Silonn a winner. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is packed with innovative features designed for ease and performance. Here's what sets it apart. Rapid ice production. Makes 9 bullet ice cubes in 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds per day. Ideal for home, office, or party use. Expanding ice basket. The spring-loaded 2.5L basket holds up to 9 cups of ice, nearly double the capacity of standard models, ensuring uninterrupted production. 0.2 ice sizes. Choose small bullet ice for quick chilling or large bullet ice for slow-melting drinks like whiskey or iced coffee. Self-cleaning function. A quick cycle keeps the machine hygienic using a drain plug for easy water removal, saving you time on maintenance. LED touch control panel. Features 4 color indicators: white for ice making, red for low water, green for full basket, blue for cleaning, for intuitive operation. Compact design. At 13.2 x 9.1 x 12, it fits small spaces like apartments, RVs, or office break rooms with a sleek, modern look. Large water tank. The 1.8L reservoir reduces refill frequency, supporting continuous ice production for busy days. Quiet operation. Runs at less than 45 dB, quieter than a refrigerator, ensuring minimal disruption in any setting. These features make the Silonn a top-tier countertop ice machine that blends functionality with style. Top benefits of the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. Why choose the Silonn over other ice makers? Here are 3 key benefits that elevate it. Lightning-fast convenience. With 6-minute ice cycles and a 26 pounds per day capacity, you'll have fresh ice on demand, perfect for impromptu gatherings or daily use. Hassle-free maintenance. The self-cleaning feature and large water tank minimize upkeep, ensuring fresh, hygienic ice with minimal effort. Space-saving versatility. Its compact, stylish design and expanding basket make it ideal for small kitchens, offices, or travel, delivering high performance without clutter. These benefits make the Silonn a standout for anyone seeking reliable, high-quality ice production. Who's the perfect fit? The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker caters to a variety of users, making it a versatile addition to any lifestyle. Party hosts. Keep cocktails, sodas, and snacks chilled with a steady supply of bullet ice, perfect for barbecues, birthdays, or game nights. Apartment dwellers. The compact 13.2 design fits tight countertops, ideal for small kitchens or studios where space is limited. Office workers. Stock break rooms with fresh ice for coffee, water, or after-work drinks, with quiet operation that won't disrupt meetings. RV and camping enthusiasts. Its portable size and large ice capacity make it easy to bring along for outdoor adventures, ensuring cold drinks anywhere. Home bar aficionados. Craft perfect cocktails with small or large bullet ice, enhancing drinks without diluting flavors. This machine adapts to your needs, delivering ice wherever and whenever you want it. Pros and cons of the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. Pros. Rapid ice production. Produces 9 bullet ice cubes in 6 minutes, up to 26 pounds daily, perfect for parties or daily use. Expanding ice basket. 2.5L spring-loaded basket holds 9 cups of ice, nearly double standard models, ensuring uninterrupted supply. Self-cleaning feature. Quick cycle with a drain plug keeps the machine hygienic with minimal effort. 0.2 ice sizes. Offers small or large bullet ice for quick chilling or slow melting. Drinks. User-friendly controls. LED touch panel with 4 color indicators, white, red, green, blue, simplifies operation. Compact design. 13.2 x 9.1 x 12 size fits small kitchens, offices or RVs with a sleek, modern look. Quiet operation. Runs at less than 45 dB, ideal for quiet environments like homes or offices. Large water tank. 1.8L reservoir reduces refill frequency during busy use. Cons. No freezer storage. Ice melts back into the reservoir if unused, requiring freezer storage for long-term use. Single color option. Only available in one finish, which may not suit all aesthetics. Water refills needed. 1.8L tank may require frequent refills during heavy use, like large parties. Minor ice clumping. Some users report slight ice clumping, easily fixed by shaking the basket. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? I tested the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker in various scenarios: a lively barbecue, a quiet office afternoon, and a cozy movie night, and it consistently impressed. Setup was a breeze. Fill the 1.8L water tank. Select small or large ice via the LED touch panel, and press start. In 6 minutes, I had 9 bullet ice cubes ready for my lemonade. The small cubes chilled drinks fast, while the large cubes kept my whiskey cold without diluting it. The expanding ice basket was a standout, holding up to 9 cups of ice, perfect for serving a crowd without constant refills. The self-cleaning cycle was a lifesaver. After heavy use, I added water, pressed the clean button, and drained the dirty water via the plug in minutes. At 45 dB, it was quieter than my coffee maker, blending into the background even during quiet evenings. The sleek design looked sharp on my counter, and its compact size made it easy to store or move for outdoor events. 1 note. Like most countertop ice makers, it doesn't keep ice frozen long-term, so unused ice melts back into the reservoir. Transferring extras to a freezer bag solved this, and the continuous cycle ensured a steady supply. Some users note cloudy ice, but for home use, the bullet ice was perfectly functional and great for chilling drinks or preserving food. How Silonn stacks up. Compared to competitors like the Uhami or Frigidaire, the Silonn shines with its expanding ice basket and fast 6-minute cycles. While some models produce ice in 7 to 8 minutes, Silonn's speed and 9-cup basket capacity set it apart. The self-cleaning feature is quicker than many rivals, and the LED touch controls are more intuitive than button-heavy panels on budget models. Its 45 dB noise level is quieter than some competitors, which can hit 50 dB or more. Customer reviews praise the compact design and ice quality, though some mention minor clumping, easily fixed by shaking the basket. With a 1-year warranty, it's a low-risk choice for reliable performance. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker worth it. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker with expanding ice basket is a top-tier choice for anyone craving fast, fresh ice without the hassle. Its 6-minute cycles, self-cleaning feature, and 9-cup expanding basket make it perfect for parties, small kitchens, or offices. The sleek, compact design and quiet operation add style and convenience, while the LED touch controls ensure ease of use. Whether you're chilling cocktails or stocking up for a camping trip, this machine delivers. Don't let warm drinks ruin your next event. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.